Here is a tutorial on how you can create a magical eyes layer video edit. First, launch Filmora and navigate to the Stock Media panel. Select your preferred video clip and click the download icon in the bottom right corner. Once downloaded, drag the asset onto the timeline. Each imported clip is initially set to a duration of 10 frames. After completing video editing, import your pre-uploaded audio file and place it on the audio track. Next, return to Stock Media and add an iMotion video clip. If its duration is shorter than the background footage, extend it by either adjusting playback speed or duplicating the clip to ensure temporal alignment. Then, in the right side Properties panel, locate the opacity setting and reduce it to achieve a semi-transparent overlay. Subsequently, create a new text element and apply the font highlighted in the red box. Finally, synchronize the audio and preview the completed composition.